This is Sophie Lynn. Here, over here, the treats. Sophie Lynn is at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. Hi, girl. She's about 2 years old. And just getting used to where she's at because you're pretty brand new, aren't you, girl? Oh, just coming right up against me. Oh, you're a friendly girl and we just met. What a sweetheart. You're looking for some loving, huh? You're the type of kitty that likes to have somebody with them when they eat? You know, I've got kitties like that at home. The food will be sitting there. And as soon as I sit down to eat, then they eat. Is that how you are too, Sophie Lynn? Yeah, it's always nice to have company when you're eating. Eating alone can be so lonesome, can't it? So, I have a feeling you would be a nice dinner companion. In fact, I think you'd be a nice companion for all the time, 24 hours a day. Sophie Lynn, do you like to sleep in people's beds and cuddle up with them? You are a sweetie, aren't you? Such a pretty girl. Pretty tiger, aren't you? Yeah, I like the way that you stand like that and pose. What a sweetheart. Well, I'm glad I came along because you were just over there lying there saying, when am I going to get some company? Yeah. She's a nice girl, Sophie Lynn. Come on down to the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. Sophie Lynn wants some company. Bye-bye, girl.